What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to add um whatever, like custom, like an owner badge or something to your Gorilla Tag copy. But yeah, so first you're gonna find like uh, the badge you want or something. I'll go with the GT1 badge, I guess. Alright, so first you're gonna go like this. You're gonna wanna right click, 3D object, cube, sphere, whatever you're gonna do. And just resize this down. Add some materials. What we'll do, blue. Resize this how you want it. Now, try to like align it with the GT1 badge if you want. Mhm. Like that, I guess. And then make sure, this is the most important thing. Go like, just remove this, or it's gonna make you go flying. I'm just gonna like put this back a little bit. That, and then click on this, turn off the mesh render. And then just align this to where you want it to be. I'm gonna make this a little darker, like that, and then we'll shrink that, like that. And then after you do that, right click this, 3D object, text mesh pro, name it text. And once you go like this, spin it, just go like this, and then spin it, and then just resize it like this, and then go, yeah, align it like this, like this maybe. I'm gonna size it up a little bit. Actually, what? I'm gonna keep it like that. And then that should work. Forgot to change this. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. I'll do a tutorial on how to do a mod menu later, but yeah. So yeah, that's all for this video.